103 गुण काढलेस, शाबास. पण रँक 170 आला तर SC फक्त 65 जागा, सिलेक्शन होणार का? 60 सेकंदात पुरावा देतो. Let us analyze the private educational institution. There are 500 vacancies with 13% reservation. Your score is on 3 against a mean of 98. Let us calculate 13% of 500. 500 times 13 divided by 100. That is 500 times 0.13, which gives us exactly 65. Let's calculate the TAIT score. Here is the formula. We substitute the values. Now we divide 5 by 12. So Z is approximately 0.42. Let's calculate the top Z percentage. We have Z equals 0.42. The table value is 66.28%. Subtracting gives 33. Let us calculate the rank. We use this formula. Here is the substitution. Multiplying gives 168.6. So the final rank is approximately 170. TAT गुण 103 असल्यास रँक 170. एकूण जागा 65. 170 हा आकडा 65 पेक्षा मोठा आहे, त्यामुळे तुमचं सिलेक्शन होणार नाही.